How it looks, but I'm gonna show you right there. You see how that grass is cut too low. It's got it burning too low, too low. So lift the deck up, man, about that much more.
Start smoking.
All right, guys. Any of you already had your trimmer string pre-rolled? Like pre-rolling mine, man. So that's what we got. Knock this out. And I'm gonna show you what's been going on out here. Because you see, you look down there, it's drying out. So with the grass drying out like this, you wanna take the deck up maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. See how that's looking over there? Brown. Got it browned up. And we got a little drought coming, so we'll get this knocked out. You guys look through. Alright guys, so got it knocked out. And like I say, had to lift the deck about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. That way we can keep stuff green. We got another drought warning coming up, so show you what it looks like in the back. You gotta get all in between our weed eating every time. Get back there, around the barn. You know, the regular, all the hot spots. Got this old swing set back there. But see how it looks from this side. So no stripe kit either, fella. Thanks to everybody who TikTok, Instagram, YouTube taught me how to stripe. You don't need a stripe kit, guys. Just lift that deck up about a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. If you're cutting on 3.5, get it to about 4. I usually try to cut about 4, everything over 4 pretty much now. Sometimes I can stripe on a 3.5 though. So I'm gonna get around the corner of my next one, and I'll let you guys check out this one. One thing I like about this older Toro, I got 2 gas things. You see that one's empty. Let's see what we got on the other one. I'll have to fill up here. Have to fill up after this. So, but here's my next one. And this is what I call small yard, fellas, because a lot of my stuff is pretty big. And see how some of this was dried up. Way down there where the grass ain't growing up down there, but knock this one out real quick. Get right back. Alright, got this one knocked out. It don't look like much, but it's done. I'll let you guys just one. Before I get out of here, I got one more I want to show you when I talk about this deck height. And you know, the grass burning. So that's how it looks. But I'll show you. Right there, see how the grass is? Cut too low. It's got it burning. Too low. Too low. So lift the deck up, man. About that much more. And you can prevent that from happening. So, and no stripe kit, like I said. Once again, just lift the deck up a little bit, you get you some stripes. So, man, this is Boneyard Lawn Service. I'm out of here. You guys enjoyed the video, man. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll holler at you in the next one.
Start smoking.